lately. Everything's trembling.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you a full house declutter that is set to inspire. So these are the things that have really helped me live a more minimalistic lifestyle and have made me really appreciate my time and the people around me rather than my stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoy. And of course, if you do, I'd love you to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and of course turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.
Your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body.
I know it's normal for everyone to have that place in a house where all the crap just goes. You know, the stuff that you don't know what to do with, it just doesn't have homes. This is my crap station. It's meant to be a study nook, but it's a crap station. So I'm going to show you what I've got in here. We're going to do a massive declutter of here, hopefully a massive declutter. I say that every time. I'll eventually get it decluttered. So yeah, we will do that. So really what I thought I would mention today is what has actually inspired this video. So I watched a video on I think it was the Minimal Mum. I think that's what she's called. Anyway, she has a theory called use it or lose it. So basically everything that you have in your home, you should be using it or get it out of your home. You don't need it. I am not quite there with everything yet, and I think everyone has like physical attachments or emotional attachments to things that they've got in at home, and I think that's fine. I think when you are ready to emotionally let go of those things and get rid of those things, then you'll do it in your own time. So that is why I think regularly decluttering is the way to go, because you're going through different phases and different experiences in your life, and you are opening up differently to different things. So by regularly going through your things, you are going to be able to declutter more and more every time. So let's get stuck into this zone.
Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel mine changing.
No idea. This one? No idea. This one? No idea. Okay, so I've just taken all the keys off here that I didn't know where they belonged. Oh my gosh, it's pretty much all the keys are gone. So one of the things that gave me so much clarity was when I did the Marie Kondo's Life-Changing Magic of Tidying. So I read the book and then I actually got the checklist from Pinterest. So basically how it works is you grab everything out that you own and you put the categories together and you organize everything by category. So you go to your house, you grab every single pen that you own in a house, for instance, you put it in a pile, and you can see the enormity that you've got, and you actually realize what you truly do need. And one of the things that she did say is when you do declutter this, you will find that it's life-changing in other ways. So if you have a look at my book selection, you will see that most of these books are nutrition and self-help books. And the funny thing is I actually ended up doing like a nutrition, attempted to do a what is it called? Like a nutrition to be a naturopath. And I honestly don't even think I could have done it with tutoring. And all that kept going on through my brain was, I really want to start a YouTube channel. I really want to start a YouTube channel. And both of the things were the things that I really, really wanted to do. So I gave it a go, and I can honestly tell you the maths was like on crack. So I'm still very passionate about health, but I need to let go of some of these books because I don't actually use them at all. They have just gathered dust. So I'm hoping I can pass it on to somebody else who is really passionate about health, also who has the time to actually read these things. Okay, and this is what it all looks like when it's done. It is looking so much better in here. Ridiculously better. Okay, as you may have been able to tell, it's the next day. I just got my vaccine done on Monday, so it's Sunday now, and I have been feeling like I'm gonna faint all week. Anyway, that's why I stopped yesterday. I wanted to keep going, but I just didn't want to push myself. So this is what I got up to last night. Basically, I just put everything that was in the bottom here into jars, which you would have seen me do, and then it made room. I decluttered here, so there was little bits and pieces that were sitting up here because there was no room in here and there was no room down the bottom in the overflow basket. This is all the stuff that I've decluttered from the drawers. I know it's not much, so that is the kitchen area.
No, we don't try to impress. Baby, we're not like the rest, oh. Just sitting on the steps outside. This stillness frees our mind.
So if you are a very busy person, or if you are a single mum, for example, and you really struggle with time away from kids to be able to do this sort of decluttering, then the 20-minute method is a great place to start. So basically, you can take 20 minutes out of your day to spend decluttering. So you could do this when the kids are sleeping, for example, and this is just a great way to just get started with your decluttering journey.
Let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run. You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like...
Okay, and this is how we're looking. Oh my gosh. I have my laundry back. Yeah. So, as you can see, the blind is up. Yay. It's probably been sitting here for like a bloody year. And I changed this around, as you would have seen, because it could only, I drilled it around the wrong way to start with. So only the small attachment could fit on because it was facing the wrong way. So that is a job that I have had on my mind that had to be fixed. So I did that. And now everything has a place to hang. I know it doesn't look pretty, but it's off the floor, out of the way. And when you walk into the room, you don't see that wall. So that's why I didn't go for a mirrored splash that I wanted, because you'd see all that crap and the laundry is just too small for it. So yes, I'm actually really, really happy with how the zone turned out. Just so you can see in here, it's not a huge change. That's not overflowing anymore, so that's good. And yeah, it's, as I said, it's not a huge change, but it's much better than what it was before.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location, all that matters not to me.
Okay, and while you're decluttering, it's really important to always have your sell stuff out. So I've taken photos of it already. This stuff is all my La Sienna branded stuff, so I will get money for that, and I'm going to put them into my sell box. And this one here is being donated. Okay, so I know that if you read the Marie Kondo book, and she always says don't try things on, and you should just look at things and ask if they spark your joy. Now I do agree with this when you're doing a really fast quick declutter like what I'm doing today. I think sometimes you can just look at things and know that you don't love it, you don't wear it, it feels yucky on you, it doesn't fit you right, you know, the colour might not suit you, it's getting worn, it's getting faded. All those sorts of things you can look at, but I think that sometimes you need an extra pile of things that still spark your joy, but you're not sure if they fit you. So if you've got a really large pile of clothes, then that is what I would do.
I don't care about the stereotype. I can never do it, mono, we the stereotype. I'm talking left, right link, I'm talking left hand ring. I'm talking this right here forever, we ain't here just for the summer. Always on 10, we ain't never had to come up. Young right now, but we gon' watch the numbers run up. Honestly, I love the way you carry it. It was an easy decision, I had to marry it. Honeymoon, I'ma put you on a chariot, and then I'll make them like you.
Okay, so now it's time to clean the dreaded craft room. And I suppose for me, it's a place where all these unfinished projects are. So I have all these good intentions to do all these things, and I just don't have the time, I don't have the money to finish them, or I don't have the energy. There's a lot of things, there's a lot of don'ts in the situation, and I think that's the biggest thing is when I open up a space, instead of being happy with it, I just feel guilty about it. Obviously not a nice feeling to feel guilty and to feel terrible when you open up a space, because we want our home to be a sanctuary and a place of calm and relaxing, and a place where we can, you know, have happy memories. So that is what I'm going to do today. I am going to be brave enough to admit my past mistakes, and I think that is a big thing about decluttering. When you are decluttering places like this, is to admit that you made a mistake in buying it. You know, you didn't give the time and the attention that you should have, but I'm going to pass it on to somebody who will, and who will make some really good memories from this. So let's get stuck into this craft room.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, but that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt.
So guys, duty calls. Her dad has just called me and told me that he needs me to come pick Talia up earlier, so I am going to do that, but I would show you where I'm at, and we'll just leave it at that today. Okay, and this is the pile all together of everything that I have decluttered this weekend. And as you guys know, like, I haven't even finished the craft room. I still have the bathroom to go, which honestly would be a few face masks, so I'm not too worried about that. It was just a craft room that I really wanted to get done as well. Unfortunately, I have to cut that one short. And I'll show you what else I've been up to. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'd know I've actually started to tackle the garden again. So I've did a bit of decluttering in there and in this garden bed as well, just up the front there, which you can't see because it's grass up this side, but I've actually did a little bit up the front there. But yeah, it's looking heaps better. Obviously the weather has turned into absolute crap again. You can see it's raining out here. So yeah, I was trying to take advantage of the times that it wasn't raining to do the outside stuff, and yeah, and these are free projects, guys, so you know, you can even make money from decluttering inside, so that's the best thing about getting stuck into this sort of stuff. So guys, I'm just going to be leaving it at this today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. It really does help my YouTube channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and click on the notification bells if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. We are all about motivation here. We're all about organizing, decorating and cleaning. That is specifically my whole channel. So if you love it, definitely subscribe so you don't miss. And I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.